What's your first stock?
SMPH.
I'm interested. Why?
I saw the earnings and they're growing up.
Okay.
So that's the first reason I bought.
So you're looking particularly at the earnings
Yes,
of the
earnings.
company. Was there a mistake that you made also when you started to
Oh yes,
invest?
I started po nung May 2018. And I bought it po nung 41 po siya, tapos nag-drop. I was so emotional po, tapos parang I was hoping po to sell it pero di ko na po sinell, tapos binay ko po ng 32. So medyo nag-even out naman.
So you bought, 32 is very low also. What were you feeling nung bumagsak yung stock?
Gusto ko po i-sell.
Hi guys, we're with Enzo. He's newly grad from high school. How old are you?
18 po.
18 years old.
I'm 18.
Okay, so but why are you investing in stocks if you're 18?
I think stocks are a good way to achieve financial freedom in the long term po.
Pero what led you to go to stocks?
I've read a lot about Warren Buffett and his amazing portfolio,
Okay.
and hopefully I'd become the next Warren Buffett.
We're talking about investing. Mas nag-enjoy ka doon kasi very much close to what Warren Buffett is doing.
Yes.
You don't like technicals, not so much.
Not so much.
Not so much
More
of fundamentals. Why do you want to be the next Warren Buffett?
You can use money as a tool to help other people.
Who influenced your parents for doing investing? Oh, man.
I first read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that sprung my interest.
Oh, pero interesting. Rich Kiyosaki doesn't like stocks.
Ayun nga po, that's right, yeah.
Oh, but why are you into stocks?
I don't have the funds for real estate pa ngayon.
Okay. Your money now, your parents gave it to you for investing.
I think 80% po binigay.
Okay.
20%.
Can they be my parents too? Kasi for me, I started 21, 22, so you're starting 4 years earlier than me. So you have a shot to do even more, and then you're studying even more than what I did. So now, what's your first stock?
SMPH.
I'm interested. Why?
I saw the earnings and they're growing up.
Okay.
So that's the first reason I bought.
So you're looking particularly at the earnings
Yes,
of the
earnings.
company. Was there a mistake that you made also when you started to
Oh yes,
invest?
I started po nung May 2018. And I bought it po nung 41 po siya, tapos nag-drop. I was so emotional po, tapos parang I was hoping po to sell it pero di ko na po sinell, tapos binay ko po ng 32. So medyo nag-even out naman.
So you bought, 32 is very low also. What were you feeling nung bumagsak yung stock?
Gusto ko po i-sell.
Pero what prevented you not to sell it na?
Fundamentals po.
How do you know the fundamentals of SM? From what? Just the numbers?
Just the numbers po.
Kasi what's SM to you? Kasi if you go to the Philippines, pa hindi na.
Yes po, I did.
Every year. So you've been to an SM
Yes.
mall naman. What's your take on it from a person who's not living in the Philippines?
SM is like the biggest company in the Philippines.
Especially for malls.
Yes, for malls.
Very good. How long do you plan to invest in the market?
My lifetime.
Lifetime. Oh. Pero what's your reason? Is just to be like Warren Buffett, or you're investing for something as well?
I plan to invest po for the long term para po ma-achieve po yung financial freedom for my family. To hopefully contribute to charity and more work po for others.
Galing nga. Pero this is what I've seen. Talk to a lot of people younger pa than you. Yun din sabi nila, they will put their money in charity. So why do you want to put your money in charity?
To live for a cause that is larger than yourself. I think that's the best.
Why don't you like technicals?
Sakit sa ulo eh.
Masakit sa Because
I think di ko po kasi siya gets masyado.
you'll do very well. I hope the next time I see you, you'll be a very young multimillionaire. Kasi we need people from the next generation who will be multimillionaires. And I hope you get your first 10 million before you hit 21, 22. Pwede yun kasi you're starting at a higher platform than all of us already. Kami, nung college kami, alam ko lang bumili ng rubber shoes at that time. So, you're doing better. Any final words, at least to encourage people your age and people who are not in tune to investing? Why should they do it na when everyone in college is thinking about how to be an employee?
You should focus on stocks and build the wealth as soon as possible because you need to start early po as soon as possible and to achieve financial freedom.
Stock market or girlfriend?
Stock market.
Investments, love life.
Balance.
Balance. Okay, so that's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye po.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.